Alright, Assalamualaikum. We would like to create shaft seal. This again the project part of our gearbox. So we have the sketch here. This is also a simple part to be sketched and then rotated by using shaft, and then we can get our shaft seal, rubber shaft seal. Okay, so we go into CATIA, start mechanical design, part design. So we type seal 1, okay, and then we create the first sketch on the YZ plane, and we start the sketch, and sketch the full sketch including the opening here, and we revolute by using the shaft function on the horizontal axis. So we just create a sketch by using profile, freeform first. We don't consider about the dimension yet. Okay, after we have connected all the lines, now we change the dimension. First should be the width of the seal, which is 6 millimeter, and we can do it by changing here 6 millimeter, and then we do the dimension here by pressing Ctrl. We choose both lines, and the diameter should be 21 divided by 2. Okay, why I need to divide by 2? Because this is our middle line for revolution, and the top will be 42 divided by 2. Yep. Next will be this height, 28 divided by 2. And lastly 35 divided by 2. Okay, next what we need to do is make sure that these 3 lines are symmetrical. We have to do it one by one. So this and this is symmetrical with the vertical axis. Yeah, because this is apparel, so it will make it automatically. And what else? So we need to know the width of this opening will be 4 millimeter. Yes, and then we have a radius here, and then the chamfering here. So the radius we can do it by using curve in sketch, or we can also even do it during our in the 3D model part. So I will show you both. First I choose radius on these 2 lines first, and we need the radius of 3, and for the next radius I will okay, it's only 1 radius, so yeah, we can look at it in both model. So we just need to do now is to rotate the shaft, and our line of rotation will be the y-axis. So if I click OK, so I will have our first model of shaft seal. And don't forget to have this chamfering. It should be inside here, only this line. So this will be the position where the shaft seal will be inserted into the shaft, and the dimension will be 0.5 times 45 degree chamfer, 0.5 times 45 degree. Okay, so we have it like that. If you want to do the edge fillet by not using the sketch, we can go back here and delete our sketch here and reconnect the line. can check it by using tool sketch analysis. So all lines are, yeah, it's connected. Click on close, just exit it. So we have like that. What we need to do now is select this line and go to edge fillet radius, change to 3, tangential, click OK. Yeah, we can either do it during sketch or in the 3D model part. Next, what we need to do will be assign material, and because this is rubber, we have to go to other and select rubber, select the body part and click OK. So the rubber is inside there. Next, we can also rename this by clicking alternate enter, the short form of right click, mouse click, properties. We go to feature properties and change to shaft seal, or just type it shaft seal, and the dimension should be 4221. Enter. Oh, forgot to change the color. Go back to graphic. I think this one we put it in orange color. So yeah, it looks nice, and that's it. We have our seal. Then we can save it in. We save it here. Next, because we have another seal that has the same sketches but only different dimensions, so we can create new part, start mechanical design, part design, or go to file, new, and part. Now I choose start mechanical design part, and part 2 I choose to name it as seal 2. So we have a second seal. We go back here, Control C on seal and select seal 2 product, Control V, and we have it, everything there. So yeah, click back on seal 4221 like this, go to change part body, change back there, and this can be deleted. Now we rename this to seal 4221 into 4230. What does this name means? This is the outer diameter, this is the inner diameter. Right, now what we need to do is just open the construction tree and go to sketch. Now we can change the sketch a little bit. Now the diameter has become bigger. The outer should be 42 divided by 2, so it remains the same. 30 is for this, the outer here, 30 divided by 2, or we can start with this first. That one will be 36 divided by 2, 34, this one, divided by 2, and lastly 30 divided by 2. Okay, this should be only 2 millimeter. Wait, so this one is 34 plus 2 times 2. This is 36, 36, 30, sorry, 38 divided by 2, 38 divided by 2. Okay, so we have 2 millimeter distance between each other, and then radius 3 and 0.5 times 60 degree. Diameter is the dimension, the width is also 4, and the width here is 7. Okay, check back here. We have 42, 30, 3, 4, 0.5, 60, 34 to 7. Alright, so we just need to finish these two. So just exit the sketch, and because this chamfer has the same edge fillet has the same radius 3, so we can just leave it there. For chamfer, this one I have to change to 60 degree instead of 45 degree, and then just click OK. It is tangential. Alright, so and the material remains the same as previously, which is rubber. Rearranged it, and we can save it as our second seal. This one is 4230. That's all.